Hi there, this is Physics Chapter 6, Work, Energy and Power. Lesson 2, Energy. Now by the end of this video, you would have learned and be able to answer the following 3 questions. The first is, what is energy? The second, what is the SI unit of energy? And lastly, how many forms of energy are there? Okay. So let's have a look at the definition of energy. Energy is defined as the capacity to do work. Now, another word for capacity is ability. And if you are wondering what a body means, it simply refers to objects or things that includes living things and non-living things like machines. So how do we understand this? Well, for example, you are at the ground floor of a tall building. The lift is presently at the 10th floor. So when you press the up button of the lift starts to move down to the first floor. So what really causes the lift to move down? Well, clearly something has done some work to move the lift down. The thing that moved the lift down is the lift motor. And this motor has the ability to do some work that results in the lift being moved down. In other words, the motor has used some energy to move the lift up or down. For this particular example, it has actually moved down from the 10th floor to the first floor. Now, take note as well, the SI unit of energy is joules, and it is represented by this capital J. Now, let's have a look at the many different forms of energy. Okay, energy exists in many different forms. Okay, in this particular slide, we have shown 8 different forms of energy that we know of today. Right? Potential energy, chemical energy, electrical, sound, nuclear, light, heat or thermal energy, and lastly, kinetic energy. Okay. Well, could there be more? Well, who knows? Only the future will tell. Okay. Now, this brings us to a list that's showing the 8 different kinds of energy. Alright. So, for this particular chapter 6, we shall only focus on 2 forms of energy. That is the kinetic energy and potential energy. Now, both these forms of energy are collectively known as mechanical energy. So in other words, if you were to hear the term mechanical energy, this can refer to either kinetic or potential energy. Mechanical energy is a form of energy usually associated with moving objects. A car moving at certain speed, a plane increasing its height, a durian fruit dropping to the ground, and so on. Hence, you will find that when we discuss the concepts related to movement, for example, speed and acceleration of an object, we often involve a mechanical energy as well. So in the next video, we'll learn more about kinetic and subsequently gravitational potential energy. Thank you.